Hi guys, finally it's a sunny day. Today we are at 289A Punggol Place. It's our HDB common facility areas, our fitness corner, and plus this project over here comes with in-house basement HDB car park, which is quite rare. Furthermore, we are 1 kilometer away from Mito Primary School. The house is TOP on the year 2013, which is about 12 years old. And hi guys, I'm Cedric from Property 65, and you?
I'm Cindy from Property 65.
Do remember to like, share and subscribe to our property channels for our weekly home tours video. And owner, feel free to contact us for your property seller needs. We will sell higher definitely than your neighbors.
这间4房室绝对是很稀有的高楼单位，你很值得来参观一下哦。
And also guys, before we enter the unit, it is a 4-room flat corner unit design, which is privacy corner for you.
As you enter, you'll be greeted by a bright and open living and dining area, offering plenty of room for relaxation and entertainment.
And right over here at the living area, we have our top to down full height window, which is facing the north. And look right over downstairs, we have our fitness and playground corner, which is the quieter facing of the house. Luckily, we are not facing the LRT track station, which is right behind of us. It's a quiet facing. And notice, to my left, we have 5-minute walks distance to Punggol MRT station, Waterway Point. And continuing from our inner block quiet facing, we have our rare, very far away, block to block distance. Very good privacies for you as the neighbors can't even notice you when you're looking in and watching the TV right here. Because in Punggol, most of the block which is built very close together, you can easily see what your neighbor opposite are doing, thus sacrificing your privacy issue. Over here in this unit, we have none of it.
Let's continue the tour and you'll be greeted by this stunning kitchen. The enclosed kitchen is a chef's delight, providing a practical space with ample cabinetry for your storage and generous countertops for meal preparation. Both common rooms are well-sized and versatile, suitable for a variety of purposes such as children's bedrooms, a guest room, or even a home office. In addition to the master ensuite, a separate common bathroom serves to the other family members and guests located along Punggol Place. This unit is only 3 minutes walk away to Punggol MRT, LRT and bus interchange. Travel another minute and you'll reach to Waterway Point, one of the largest malls in Northeast. You can find Uniqlo, Love Bonito, Din Tai Fung, Butian, Dono Donki, Daiso, Decathlon, just to name a few. In addition, Sheng Siong Supermarket is only 5 minutes walk away at Block 301 Punggol Central. You can also find coffee shops there for daily meals. As for families with children, you can find a total of 8 primary schools within 1 km radius, where Mito School, top 9, is only 2 bus stops away. Within 2 km, there will be a total of 18 primary schools, where Nanqiao Primary School is 5 bus stops away, making Punggol one of the best locations for family planning. Backtrack 1 MRT stop and you'll be at Sengkang MRT, where you can find Campus 1 Mall, Sengkang Community Club, and the 24 hours Kopitiam Square. Perfect for those who love to shop and dine out. What's more, Punggol Coney Island is just nearby, perfect for a leisure breeze walk session with your family.
And the floor area of the unit is 96 square meter 4-room flat.
This is an intermediate corner unit, and at 1033 square feet, it comes with 1 master ensuite, 2 common rooms, 1 bathroom, living and dining area, and an enclosed kitchen with a yard. Step into the master bedroom, a spacious heaven designed for relaxation and rest, with ample space remaining for the side tables, a dresser, or even a cozy reading nook. Attached to the master bedroom is the well-maintained ensuite bathroom that offers both convenience and privacy. Did you know Privy has much more potential? The first phase of Punggol Digital District is estimated to be ready by end 2024, which will be Singapore's first smart business district in the Northeast. A brand new technology and innovation centre, which UOB will invest more than 500 million in the new centre that spans 300,000 square feet. It will also collaborate with JTC, and by 2026, the Punggol Digital District is embarking on the next phase with 3 new business park towers. In addition, the upcoming Punggol Coast MRT station will be developed as an extension of the new Singapore Institute of Technology campus, and also the Jurong Town Cooperation sites. Next, the 7.3km Cross Island Line Punggol extension will provide a direct link to the Pasir Ris and Tampines North. The construction works for Cross Island Line The Punggol extension is expected to commence by end 2022 and targeted to be completed by 2032.
Once again, guys, we have come to the end of the video. I'm Cedric.
I'm Cindy.
We are from Property 65. We uplift your home value. We sell higher. Owner, contact us to explore your choices now.
我们厉害
Oh, and what's this behind of me? What's that, Cindy?
Really?
Oh yes, guys, we have another exclusive video about Privé Condo. If you are interested to see the project, click on the top right hand corner to view our next video.